We're gonna go feed some birds.
Okay, let's see. Okay, go over here.
I didn't have any money to get that. Oh, is it cost money? Yeah, it's $1. Oh, okay. Well, I better get $1. Don't tell me. You get that? Okay.
Hi.
There you are.
Here you go. Here we go. Oh.
Did he get you?
Yeah.
Don't bother his food. Hey, don't bother their food.
I'm not trying to.
Oh, then I got 3.
Okay, here, do this.
Hey. There you go.
I know, it's like you walk in there and attack you. I can't get pictures and videos.
I got 2.
Are you the young man that gave me this?
Yes. Here we go.
I didn't know you were supposed to get
It's alright. It's okay. It's okay.
No, you go get you some more. Yeah.
I want one. I want one.
Oh.
Well.
You got one on top of your head now.
Here, come stand
Hello.
There's my name. Yes, I am.
Oh, I got one of those pants. I wanted one of those.
Oh, I think he just wet on you.
I felt it. I felt something warm. I felt that.
They can.
I felt that.
He just wet on you. Let me see your
I think the first. I think it's back here. Felt something.
They're enjoying that, aren't
I
they?
thought I felt
Hold
something.
this. Hold that cup, please. Hold the cup. Hold the cup. From the bottom. From the bottom.
Get this one off of Dad.
There you go.
Dad's got 2.
Is it okay?
Okay.
Good job.
Well,
Now you got a couple. Whoa, now you got a lot.
I'm the bird
it might
person.
live a year. Watch out.
Isaac, come here. Hold this one too.
How funny.
I have a lot of juice on me.
That's exactly
Put it in your hands.
Oh my! They eat it all so fast. Like,
Can you get the little guy? I know. I took it away.
oh,
I don't guess that little one is eating.
this guy eats it up so fast.
I think this guy has blue eyes. Nothing, just a camera. Just a camera.
Oh, this guy is bloody. Where am I gonna go?
You can throw some out there and they'll go. Let's see if they
Hey,
come down there.
you gonna get down? Oh, you will do anything for food. Yes. Don't look at that much, bro.
Look at that one down there waiting. Down there, goes in the end.
Yeah.
Oh, here he comes. Here comes this guy. Hurry up. Here comes this little guy too. Right there.
Oh, yes. Have all my love. How about this guy? There you go.
Oh, look, he's coming through the fence. Nice.
He's the smart guy.
That was pretty smart.
No.
Here, this one over here. Did you give him any? He worked hard to go under the fence. Okay, let's go. Woohoo!
Look at all that.
Are there more or am I out of food?
Oh, that's so cool. Did you see that animal? Going on a trip, we're going on a trip. In our favorite golf cart. Zooming through the road. There's... what is it? It's a Pikachu.
Peacock.
Peacock. And there's an eagle. The name of our state.
Bird garden. We haven't been down to the bird yet.
No, we have not. Well, yes, we have. Well, no. Never mind. That's the symbol of our state, the eagle.
Peacock crossing. How about that? You don't see that very often,
Nope.
do you? Oh no, we haven't seen these. Okay, I'm not sure how I'm gonna turn around. Oh, I guess it goes for a while. Okay. You turned around with that big one, so I'm sure I can turn around. Okay, so these, oh look how beautiful that one is. Okay, go down and see your birds, and I'm going to figure out how to turn around.
Bum, 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 bum.
Oh, you don't like that one? The owl's over there.
That's beautiful.
Go with Daddy. Come on. It's over there.
Hello. Hello. How are you? Are you just gonna climb? You like climbing? This guy likes climbing. U-turn. Wait, you just talked. I knew you could talk. Do that again. Okay.